Counting cell divisions, a computational approach using DNA tandem repeats. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Repetitive DNA occurs in all domains of life, bacteria, archaea and eukaryota, and can be grouped into two categories. Interspersed repeats, such as transposable elements occurring in multiple loci across the genome, and tandem repeats, TRs, that occur in a single locus. This manuscript presents a compelling exploration of the role of DNA tandem repeats, TRs, in counting cell divisions, employing a computational model that could significantly advance the understanding of cell biology and epigenetics. The integration of TRs as iterable objects not only offers a fresh perspective but also provides a potential framework for investigating fundamental biological processes. The research could pave the way for novel insights into cellular mechanisms and their implications for development and disease. Overall, this manuscript aims to be a contribution to the scientific community, encouraging deeper discussions about the non-canonical roles of TRs in genomic regulation. Introduction. Development in living organisms, especially the way cells divide to form body parts, is incredibly precise. Even a single extra division in facial cells can lead to deformities, while just one more round in arm cells might result in unusually long arms. This shows how tightly controlled cell division is. Scientists have discovered that some organisms, like the tiny worm Caenorhabditis elegans and fruit flies, follow exact patterns of cell division, regardless of outside signals. This suggests there's an internal system that counts cell divisions very accurately. One possible answer lies in satellite DNA, long stretches of repeating, non-coding DNA once thought to be junk. These sequences can influence development by affecting how genes are turned on or off through processes like DNA methylation, which tags DNA to regulate its activity. Because of their repeating patterns and structure, satellite DNA might work like a biological counter, guiding how many times a cell divides. Additionally, these DNA patterns interact with cellular logic, similar to how computers use true or false logic, Boolean algebra. Overall, these systems help ensure cells divide the right number of times, shaping the body with remarkable precision, possibly at the very limit of what biology can achieve. Conclusion. Lineages is an efficient program to simulate processive cellular functions that, executed step by step on linear templates, enumerate precise and invariable numbers of cell divisions. TRs are run over by accurate epigenetic complexes involved in DNA methylation, showing that TRs together with the epigenetic machine may be the molecular basis cells use to count deterministic numbers of division rounds. Lineages help to mimic evolutionary processes that have established convenient pedigrees of cell divisions, approved by natural selection as the most suitable and adapted for each species.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.